Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your HUAWEI MatePad T5 louder. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the volume booster app. Choose app from Goodif, install it and open. Okay, I think now we have to pass the setup. You can follow my moves. Okay, any info about the notifications, but never mind. Okay, the tool is active. You can increase or decrease the booster power by this little slider, so just adjust it to your needs. The 16% is max. If you want to turn off this application, you have to click on the stop service and choose OK. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.